Back out at the White Creek Railroad today and doing some track repair, replacing the outer rail on this curve here at Maplewood. Russ ran up to the barn to grab another piece of rail, fill in this gap here. Probably you can see on this old piece of rail how the flanges have worn it down over many years. Yep. Hello, we're back at the White Creek Railroad. Today we're working in the Hidden Valley Yard doing some leveling and tamping here. We got a level on this tool and check which side is low at the joints and tamp a little ballast underneath it.